Good afternoon, everyone. We are here for the digital transformation in pharma supply chain and manufacturing. In India, there is a digitalization of pharmaceutical industries. It is not as per expectation or as per requirement. There is so much lagging inside we are not using digitalization for the pharmaceutical manufacturing. There should be traditionally supply chain have been linear and reactive, but with digitalization we are moving towards connected, intelligent and predictive supply chains. The key areas of supply chain, which is end-to-end visibility with technology like ERP and IoT, that real-time tracking, we can now monitor the materials from raw material to finished product delivery. This improves transparency, reduces the delay and enhances the decision making. So now in a pharmaceutical supply chain, there is a end-to-end visibility is not in place. There is a some gaps are identified in supply chain operations. The data-driven manufacturing is no longer just about process. It's about data. Advanced analytical and AI help in improve yield improvement, process optimization, productive maintenance, and deviation reduction. There is a digital quality compliance, digital systems such as EBMR, LIMS, QMS platform ensure data integrity, audit readiness and transfer batch release. And faster the batch release should be the online system. There is everything is on the paper. The paper transfer from one department to another department. That time we are missing in this supply chain transformations. So the future and smart autonomous operations, we are moving towards smart factories, digital twins, and fully integrated supply ecosystems. This is the totally some gaps are there. Challenges also there. With that challenges is transformation requires overcoming change management issues, skill gaps, and integration challenges. Such a these are we are facing on this pharmaceutical supply chain. The cold chain monitoring, like vaccines in API, equipment tracking, real-time inventory visibility, the predictive maintenance of machines, such things shall be digitally transferred to pharmaceuticals and improve the decision making, transparency, and visibility also. Such a things shall be taken by priorities, because of only single company in the digital, that is not possible to continue the supply chains. The AI analyticals are for the yield improvement, predictive maintenance, and process optimization. The digital transformations, it should be used across the government, like government. There should be any softwares like the visibility of supply chain. The material way goes starts from any company, how it is status. The visibility should be the end customers. This is the main key matter for this digital transformations. Then digital quality and compliance. The EBMR, every document shall not be maintained physically. It should be electronically. That is easy to access, easy to transform, easy to allow to anywhere. If the audit is there, then there is no need to take a record from the document cell and show to auditors. It should be digitally, that is easy for the audit, easy for the access, easy for the data interchange, data And this is the ensure data integrity also. There is a easy to understand the supply chain resilience, demand forecasting, the inventory optimization, risk management. These are the supply chain requirement basically for the pharmaceutical industries. Then future trends, there is smart factories. Whatever running batches, what are the in process or what are the manufacturing capacity, that should be transparency for the customers. Integrated ecosystem should be there. That is easy for pharmaceutical industry. And to the digitally we can control the how it is. The alternatives also there for the supply chain systems. The challenges are there, change management, which are very much requirement. Skill gaps, system integration also. The system should be integrated to across the globe. It could be the better for the pharmaceuticals which are having what is the status of the material when you are getting the real time tracking also there. That should be the digital transformation. We can access the data from anywhere. The conclusion last is that the digital transformation is essential for a resilient, patient-centric pharma ecosystem. So it is better for the pharmaceuticals, and it's a very necessity. Let's work together to build a digitally enabled, resilient, and patient-centric pharma ecosystems. Thank you so much.